within the parties on whether a vice president candidate should be put up. The contest could be forced unless the government tries to build consensus and put up a candidate acceptable to the opposition too. Numbers in the Electoral College, of course, are in the NDA's favour, but the opposition could still contest to make a point. The opposition has been demanding Deputy Speaker's post in Lok Sabha, which the government has not acted upon so far. And we've seen on the periphery certain voices also being raised, noises being made in Lok Sabha seeking the Deputy Speaker's post. Going across to Arunima for more on the same. We're back to square one, Arunima, with the opposition also now going about its own set of strategies, or whether or not they want to mount certain pressure on the NDA, because the number game is still with the NDA. Do you see that playing out as a possibility in the near future? What are the kind of speculations doing the rounds in opposition camp regarding the Vice President's post?
So let me try and explain to you how the Vice President's election happened. It's based on an electoral college. Members of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha both are part of the electoral college, and each member of parliament has one vote. So essentially, if the Bharatiya Janata Party and the NDA are in power, they have the majority in Lok Sabha, and they have an almost majority in Rajya Sabha, then there's no problem in getting their own candidate elected. But this is not about number game alone. This is also about building that political pressure. What the opposition parties are saying at the moment is that we have seen how the Deputy Speaker's position in Lok Sabha has not been given to the opposition in spite of assurances. So now for the Vice President's position, there could be two strategies. One, to wait and see what is the reach out from the government side. Is it a BJP candidate who they are proposing, or is it a candidate from an alliance partner? For example, Nitish Kumar is a JDU candidate. So will they come up with a name which is a non-BJP or even a TDP who is an alliance partner? So then there could be some maneuvering perhaps. But the opposition at this point is also not shying away from a contest, even though they do not have the numbers. They do want to put up a fight just to make it difficult for the government. But all of this will be premature till the time we know who the government's choice of candidate is going to be. And I think before we know the government's choice of candidate, there will be some deliberation within the NDA also. Chirag Paswan's, LJP Ramvilas, JDU, TDP, AIADMK, the new alliance partner from Tamil Nadu, they will all be brought on board for this discussion. And like I said, there's no rush, because the Rajya Sabha monsoon session is not in jeopardy. As far as the Vice President's post is concerned, government, it seems, is going to take its time.
Oh yes, so numbers are not an issue for the NDA, but more often than not in politics, it's posturing that matters the most.